Resuscitators, commonly known as bag valve masks, are not all the same. Small differences have major impact on performance. Focusing on the valve at the patient end, this flap of plastic covering these holes constitutes the expiratory valve for the Resus Ezy resuscitator. This is the flap of plastic in diagram form marked in red. As the patient breathes out on the left, the expiratory valve is pushed open, allowing expired gas to leave the patient. As the patient breathes in on the right, the duckbill valve opens and the expiratory valve is closed off. Closing of the expiratory valve prevents air, which contains 79% nitrogen, being drawn in. If this expiratory valve didn't exist, air would be sucked in through the uncovered holes during inspiration, diluting oxygen from the bag valve mask. Presence of an inbuilt expiratory valve allows the Resus Ezy to deliver a high concentration of oxygen. This can be demonstrated by attaching an oxygen analyzer. Here we can see the inspired oxygen concentration at 98%. The Ambu Spur 2 has a slightly different valve setup and functions almost as well, producing an inspired oxygen concentration of 95%. The Mayo Healthcare does not have an inbuilt expiratory valve. Most frontline staff are unaware of this issue. Without it, the Mayo Healthcare only achieves an inspired oxygen concentration of 62%. It would be wise to remove these resuscitators from the front line of healthcare. This is not a cost issue. The Mayo Healthcare is actually more expensive than the others discussed.